Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. Eyes are exposed to a lot of diseases, but what are those? You must know some of them to prevent them from infecting your eyes. Of all courses of life, there are two that you must take a lot of care of your eyes during them. Course of education. Youth and infants are armed with strong muscles in their eyes. As a result, carry out accommodation a lot easier and their eyes get tired less often. Since taking excellent grades is in correspondence with studying, you need good eyesight, so timely acting is critical to eliminating eye defects. Middle age. Eyesight weakens through time. Eye lenses blur as time passes and field of sight decreases. As a result, peripheral sight runs into some problems. Also, as the elastic quality of eye lenses fades, its transformation to an almost solid lump, the process of accommodation slows down. If eye lenses completely lose their power of accommodation, the person suffers from presbyopia. In this case, he will need a special pair of glasses. If a middle-aged person has hypertension and diabetes, or there is somebody from their family who has glaucoma, they have to visit optometrist on a regular basis. This was only a pair of eye diseases a person might suffer from during their lifetime. Stye. This kind of inflammation is often infectious and very painful. Direct contact with dirty hands can cause this disease. Cataract. One of eye diseases that triggers opacity of eye lenses, blurry sight and loss of sight in advanced stages. Cataract starts with symptoms like blurry sight, photophobia, color vanishing, night blindness, double vision, increase of myopia, and constant change of visual acuity. Some of the common causes to this disease are increasing age, improper nutrition, diabetes, exposure to sunlight, smoking, and impact to back of the head. Most prevalent kind of cataract is caused by increasing of age. Probability of suffering from cataract for people between age 65 to 74 is 50%, and for people older than 75 is 70%. Glaucoma. Glaucoma is increase of pressure inside eyes that can cause injury for optic nerves, and as a result, permanent blindness. It is important to note that some variations of glaucoma can remain silent until the final stages of the disease, and there would be irrevocable damage to eyesight. Remember that it's your responsibility to care for those eyes. Now don't forget to like if you liked the video and subscribe if you want to see more. Goodbye and take care.